Now we will do exercise 2.8. This is on page number 38. Open your books and notebooks. Write the date, day on the right side. Draw the margin line on the right side. Now first question is solve stepwise. So first statement is 4617 plus 2415 minus 5918. So what you have to do, first took the first two numbers. First two numbers में what we have? Addition. So solve addition. 7 plus 5 12. 1 ऊपर carry, right? 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 6 plus 4 is 10. 0. 1 ऊपर carry. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. Now what we got is the answer of first two numbers. इन दोनों को एडिशन करके हमारे पास क्या आया? 7032. अभी the number what we got from the addition, subtract 5918 from that number. It means from this number we have to subtract 5918. Clear? So write down 7032 5918. What will we use? Minus. Minus 2 minus 8 क्या बना देंगे 2 का? 12. 12 minus 8 is 4. Carry. 2 minus 1 is 1. यहाँ पे what we will do? 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. 6 minus 5 is 1. So our final answer is 1114. Firstly आपके पास क्या था? Addition. You will use the concept of addition in first two numbers. Then what you got? Subtract the another number from that result. The answer you got is the final result. Clear? Now we will do the sixth question. The rest questions you have to solve by yourself. In this question we have the first two numbers and in between we have the sign of minus. It means we will use concept of subtraction between the first two numbers, right? So 10 minus 5 is 5. 4 minus 0 is 0. 13 minus 8 is 5. 7 minus 6 is 1. This is the answer that we got from the subtraction of first two numbers. Now the number we get, we have to add the third number in this result. So what we have the number? 1505. And we have to add the third number, that is 978. Here we have the sign of plus. So that is why I used addition here, right? 5 plus 8 is 13. 1 carry. 1 plus 7 is 8. 9 plus 5 is 14. 1 carry. 1 plus 1 is 2. So our final answer is 2483. I solved two questions on the board. The rest questions you have to solve by yourself for practice. Clear everyone? The first sign that we will use in the first numbers and the last sign जो हमारे पास first two numbers का result आएगा उसके बाद हमने second sign use करना है. Clear? Now our second question is find the number that is 563 more than 8978. I am doing the first part. हमें वो नंबर बताना है जो 8978 से कितना ज्यादा है? 563. कितना ज्यादा means we have to use the concept of addition. अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं कि 10 is how much more than 7, right? 10 is हाउ मच मोर देन 7। आप क्या यूज करोगे? तो आप बोलोगे ना कि 3 ज्यादा है। वैसे ही 8978 में हम मोर देन 563, सो 8978 प्लस 563, we use the concept of addition. 8 plus 3 is 11, 1 number carry, 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 plus 6 is 14, 1 carry, 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15, 1 carry, 8 plus 1 is 9. So our answer is 9541. Clear? The rest parts you have to solve by yourself. Simply just add both the numbers and that will be your answer. Now we are doing the C part. Find the number that is 2867 less than 7853. We have to find the number which is 2867 less than 7853. What will we use? Less ka meaning is we have to use the concept of subtraction. So here 7853 2867 माइनस, बिकॉज हमें क्या पूछा है कि आपको वो नंबर बताना है जो 7853 से कितना छोटा है, 2867. मोर मीन्स ऐड, लेस मीन्स सब्ट्रैक्ट. क्लियर? सो we have to carry here 13 minus 7 is 6, 14 minus 6 is 8, 17 minus 8 is 9, 6 minus 2 is 4. So our answer is 4986 is the number which is 2867 less than 7853. Clear? Now we will do the fifth question. Fifth question is 798 less than 5663. So in the same way, use the concept of subtraction. 13 minus 8 is 5, 15 minus 9 is 6, 15 minus 7 is 8, 4 minus, there we have nothing, it means 4 minus 0 is 4. So 4865 is the number that is 798 less than 5663. The rest parts you have to solve by yourself. Clear? Now we will do the D part. Our first question is 1672. What should be added to 1672 to get 3400? हम इसको इस एग्जांपल के साथ समझते हैं. Let's suppose if I have to ask you that what should I add in 3 to get 5? मैं 3 में कौन सा नंबर ऐड करूं ताकि I get 5? What will be your answer? Your answer is 2. क्या यूज करा आपने? 2 में मैं क्या ऐड करूं ताकि आपके पास 5 आए? आप क्या आंसर दोगे कि मैम आप 3 ऐड करोगे. ठीक है? कैसे आपने करा? 5 minus 2 is 3. What will we use? Concept of subtraction. Similar way हमने इन सम्स में भी क्या यूज करना है? Subtraction. कि हम इस नंबर में कौन सा नंबर ऐड करें ताकि हमारे पास ये नंबर बने. ठीक है? So by following the concept of subtraction, 10 minus 2 is 8, 9 minus 7 is 2, 13 minus 6 is 7, and 2 minus 1 is 1728. So we have to add 1728 in 1672 to get 3400. Clear? Now I am doing the fourth part. What should be added to 897 to get 809,070? In the same way, use the concept of subtraction. 8 minus 8 is 0 and 8. Clear? So 8073 should be added in 897 to get 8970. Just use the concept